everybody, and thank you all for tuning into my channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So today we are going to be creating some Easter money cards. Okay, I will be showing 3 different examples here today. So let me go ahead and pull them all up. So this is my first image, and I cut these out using my Cricut machine. And then I will have another one where if you don't have a Cricut machine, I can show you also how to create them just by using this plain cardstock. But we're going to actually trace our image onto it, and then we're going to be using a hole puncher if you do not have a Cricut machine. Okay, so I didn't press this down all the way, so I'll still be able to pull it off and reuse it, okay? Just for this example, all right? So I'm going to start off with the ones that I have already pre-cut. And I'm just going to take this off of the carrier sheet for the sticker paper. Okay, let's get this to be this long. Okay. Alright, so I just want to pull it out just a little bit, because once the sticker paper is down, it's down. Okay, so I want to make sure that everything aligns. I'm going to go by the circle. Okay, so as long as everything is connected with the circle and my sides are even, I am good to go ahead and press down. Now I am certain that my project will be all even, okay? Like so. All right, so I want to repeat the same step of this one as well. This is how we're looking so far. All right, so let's get our third one on. Now for our third one, remember, this is just if you do not have a cutting machine. So I just have this little solid cardstock here. Once you have peeled this off, you do not need to align anything. You can just go ahead and place it down like so. Okay. Next, I am going to go ahead and grab my scissors, and I'm going to cut around this image here. So once you have cut around your design, you will have something that looks like this. Now we're going to go ahead and take our hole punch and press a hole in here, and we have something that looks like this. Okay, so now these 3 are complete. Now I'm going to give you all 3 different options of designing as well. Okay, so for this one, I decided I'm just going to place it like maybe on the side just to give it a different look. You can do it this way if you wanted to. This is really cute. Now for this one, I'm just going to place this one straight at the bottom. Now you can't really tell, but for this one I had $20 placed right there. I don't know if you can, okay, you can see it now. So next time I know not to use that color, or to maybe use white instead of black. Okay, so that's that design. Now for this one, I decided I'm going to place it like right underneath the bunny. Well, not right underneath, but like maybe underneath the tail, like so. And then if you want to personalize it, I'm just going to put like Love Mom at the bottom. Like so, something like this. Okay, so that is 3 different options as well, and that concludes the video, guys. So I hope that you all learned something new. I hope that you all give these a try. If you do, make sure you tag me. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. But stay tuned, because we do have more Cricut projects coming soon. Okay, take care. Bye.